With lips more than almost any other feature, Francois NARS follows a no-rules approach. NARS iconic shades have been reformulated in new packaging and a new elevated formula, and I can't wait to show you how to use them. I'm using NARS Classic shade Dolce Vita. This is a sheer texture. It glides on seamlessly. It's so beautiful and just adds a hint of color, and the texture makes it so easy to wear. So I'm using Impulse, which is a satin finish. It has a creamy consistency with a beautiful payoff. I love how this berry just brightens up the face and gives this elegance without being too dramatic. This is the new matte finish in Inappropriate Red. It goes on beautiful and matte and soft and plush, but never dry. I love this poppy shade. It's a perfectly balanced red and looks good on every skin tone. It feels really classic and really modern at the same time.